In this video, I want to show you how to change the clock face on your Amazon Echo Spot. So it's very easy. It can be done on the device itself or using the Alexa app on your phone. So let's start on how to do it using the device itself. So drag down, click on the cogwheel, click on clock and theme, and now you have clock face. If you tap on it, you'll have multiple options. If we go back, in this menu we also have color theme. So if you don't like the blue, you can go ahead, select another color here. And you also have clock format, if you prefer having this in 24 hours clock. So 13, 14, etc. If we go back, in the settings menu and we select display, we can also change the display characteristics. So you have the brightness, you can change it manually, but the second option is adaptive brightness, which means that over here there's a small sensor, I don't know if you see it, it will adapt the brightness of the screen depending if in the room there's a lamp turned on, if it's daylight or nighttime, stuff like that. And you also have night mode. When you enable this, it will darken the screen so it does not disrupt your sleep, since the screen will be very dark. Now let me show you how to do the same thing but on your phone. So this is the main menu screen on your Amazon Alexa app. Over here, if you select devices down below, you should then select your Echo Spot in this list. Then click on the cogwheel on the top right corner there. Go down, select clock face, and you'll have the same exact options that you had on the Echo Spot. If you don't want to get up to do these changes, well, just take your phone and do them. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.